So. Take a look at this guy. This is an ultimate geek. Stefan, I just saw your session, and well, it was fucking mind-blowing.
Thank you.
So, Stefan is like, well, as I said, the ultimate low-level geek, and he did very, very, very deep into stuff. And you're an Octable member?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like you.
Yeah, like me. But I'm from like 2 weeks, so thanks to Jože and his recommendation.
Yeah.
Well, some people, when I'm talking with them about this low-level stuff, this digging deep and so on, some people claim that it's not necessary.
Yeah.
That why to do it? That it's a waste of time. Well, we both know it's not a waste of time because it's fun. And
yeah, it's true fun. Yeah, sure.
It's not a waste of time. But can you tell where, when, and how it actually helps to solve problems, to live as a good DBA?
Yeah. Okay. So basically, I'm an independent consultant, right? I'm not a DBA as an employee at a company or something like that. So basically, I'm called in when clients hit issues like really, really bad issues with some deep internal stuff when I get called, right? So basically, for example, a client called me who was using a PL/SQL app. He has written it by himself. And basically, when the application runs 2 or 3 days, the PGA memory increases and increases, right? And they had no idea why it was. And so basically, you have to do all of this internal stuff to find the memory leak, right? And if you find the memory leak, you cannot work around it by yourself, but you can help Oracle to fix it, because you can provide a self-contained test case and just provide them and then please run this code, and then you will see the leak. So the troubleshooting procedure with Oracle also support will be much more efficient, right? And sometimes you can also find a workaround for these memory leaks or whatever, just do it a different way in PL/SQL. Like in this case, it was if you just change the invoker rights, the memory leak does not happen. So there was a workaround also. If you do this internal stuff, you can fix it real problems, right?
Can you say that it can also help a regular DBA doing his job better on a day-to-day basis, like, you know, predicting some stuff or just understanding that, well, I can see that on the top level happened something like that,
yeah.
So based on my low-level knowledge, I can assume that it will blow in a few days, for example.
Yeah, I think it helps also on your daily work, right? Because if you know how the kernel or the core works, right, you don't need to know how the code is exactly written. Mm-hmm. But if you know how it basically works, it also helps with your daily work. For example, let's just take like a SQL performance issue, right? If you know how the optimizer or how the functions basically work, not how the real algorithm works, but how basically the function works, it helps you to find issues and drill down, right? For example, like transformation stuff on something like that. Basically what I also do. So yeah, I would say if you understand the kernel or the core, better said, it makes help you better DBA. Yeah, sure.
Well, what are your favorite tools to dig?
Well, I'm a Solaris fan, right? But unfortunately, Solaris is not so popular anymore. But I use it a lot for researching with dtrace, because dtrace is a great tool to find out this stuff, right? Linux is pretty good. It's catching up to Solaris, but dtrace is perfectly fine for it. So, yeah. So basically, I use dtrace first, and then I port it to Linux, like using systemtab or like what I showed today, like the pin tools, for example. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but at first I usually do it at Solaris.
Can you tell us what made you to put papers for POUG? What has happened that you decided that you want to do it?
Yeah, you. You. It was just you know. I already knew you from Germany, from POUG and something like that, and I said, hey Matt, once this guy is organizing a conference, why not join him and help him to make a great conference? I think it's a good thing. It's all about the community, right?
Yeah, always. It's always about the community. You're right. Yeah, thanks, man. You know, it's really great having you here. I hope you're having fun.
Yeah, sure. It's a great conference. Yeah.
And I really do hope that you will be here next year with us with, well, a little bit less slides, because you had three slides.
It was too much.
A little bit embarrassing, too much.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
You know, 1 max 2.
Okay.
Okay. The third one was completely, you know, out of the line.
Okay.
So behave yourself.
Next time, only one cover, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Stefan.
Thank you.
And I'm really happy that you are here.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.